Instagram is one of the social networks most used to upload photography. However, when you upload an image from your phone, the application automatically adjusts the image size by reducing the pixels to a maximum of 640 per 640 pixels with 72 ppp from version 4.24 of Instagram, so that the sharpness of the image noticeably lowers. There is an easy way to upload your photo without it losing quality. From your computer, open Instagram and log in as you normally would from your phone. Then go to the top right of the window, click on the three vertical points, then on More Developer Tools and Tools. On the right will display a column of information for developers. In this step, do not worry, just click on the web screen icon to the phone screen. You will see the application as you see it on your phone. Refresh the browser and click the button to upload the image the same way you would on your phone. You will see that the image is uploaded as it without losing sharpness or colors. It is important that, if possible, you edit the photo from an image editor different from Instagram, because when you apply filter or trim it with the application, it lowers the quality considerably.